The number one mistake that I see business owners make with estate planning is obviously number one, not having any type of estate plan. But number two is thinking that a will is going to be enough. And that is simply not the case. If you own a business, you most likely need a living trust. It almost becomes a non-negotiable. For me, a living trust is basically step one of a business succession plan. And the good news about this is that if we do a living trust and we assign your business to it, all of the incapacity documents now impact your business. The living trust does, the will does. This is a legal expense for your business. Disclaimer, I'm not a CPA, so always talk to your CPA before disclaiming anything for your tax purposes, but it does become a business legal expense. So you do get to write off your entire estate plan through your business. Yay, we love write-offs. But it is very important that you have that living trust because now, as I mentioned in the previous video, your successor trustee can step in if you become incapacitated. And most importantly, your business is not going to end up in probate. And that's a big deal because probate is where a lot of businesses go to die, because you hear horror stories all the time of business owners becoming incapacitated or dying, and all of a sudden their team can't be paid for months on end. And they're either working for free or going to do what a lot of people do, they're going to quit because they need money. They need to go support their families and take care of their household. So it's really important to have it so that someone can immediately step in and continue to pay your team, continue to take care of everything. We all see what happens when the government goes into a shutdown, the airports shut down because the TSA agents aren't getting paid. We don't want this to happen to our business. We need to make sure that there's no shutdown, that there's no dilemmas, there's no delays, that immediately someone can step in and pay your employees, take care of your clients, make sure everything's good to go, or immediately wrap up and sell your business. That your spouse has access to those bank accounts, that they can file for your key man insurance if they need to. These are all very important aspects that a will simply is not going to help with at all. Wills don't do anything to protect your business from probate court. They don't do anything to protect your business during incapacity. So it's really important to note that wills are probably not the best option for your estate plan if you own a business that is actually producing income and revenue.